TENK stock analysis update Wednesday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sitting at $37.60 is like 4.24% off for the day. TenX Keane stock, I mean, it's kind of like retracing down, so like from the 30-minute chart and how it looks like. But this was my idea, you know, this was my idea yesterday, and this definitely delivered. Like, what did I want to see the price give me? Is pull inside my demand zone and, you know, go higher. It says waiting for the rules to be met. Do we have any double breaks? Sure thing is we got this here and then this here, but then it was not enough here, so this was like really no trades taken, but the idea was perfect. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the video. It's just like 21 hours ago. DE 5 minutes. Looking for like a 1 minute accumulation. So we pulled down, that's for sure, and then delivered. What's next? I mean, we now have this demand area. It's gonna be still the exact same story. Honestly, I think that this might be also dying out. I think the hype's over, but if the price manages to pull down and give the rules out, instead of just guessing and assuming and just working on my beliefs, I'll just wait it out, you know, and just commit. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.